Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Early next week, markets will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic statistics. On Tuesday, China will publish its inflation data for June. Pundits predict a 1.9% gain year-over-year. In May, China's consumer inflation held steady as softer food prices offset faster gains in non-food items. The consumer price index rose by 1.8% in May from a year earlier. The key inflation reading matched a 1.8% gain forecast by economists. The Chinese government aims to keep inflation under about 3% this year. On a month-over-month basis, the CPI fell by 0.2% in May from a month earlier. On Tuesday, Great Britain will report on its industrial production in May. Economists project a 0.2% increase on a monthly basis. In April, UK industrial production decreased unexpectedly, dropping by 0.8% month-over-month. It was the first decline in 4 months. Meanwhile, economists had expected a stable 0.1% gain for the month. On a yearly basis, industrial production growth eased to 1.8% from 2.9% a month ago. The expected growth rate was 2.7%. Manufacturing production dropped by 1.4% monthly. This was the largest fall since October 2012. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will announce its interest rate decision for June. Most analysts anticipate that the key rate will be cut to 0.75%. However, opinions divided, and many market participants expect the rate to stay the same. In June, the central bank kept its rate at 1.25%, mentioning slower first-quarter growth, which was largely a result of housing market responses to stricter mortgage rules and sluggish exports. The Bank of Canada is maintaining its trend-setting interest rate as its careful assessment of the timing of future hikes continues amid a backdrop of moderating growth. The bank reiterated that it expects further interest rate hikes to be necessary over time and that it will follow a cautious, data-dependent approach when weighing future decisions. In addition to these reports, on Monday, Germany will publish data on trade balance. On Tuesday, fresh data on ZEW economic sentiment for Germany and the Eurozone will be out. On Wednesday, the US will release producer price statistics. And this was the latest economic calendar on Insta TV. We wish you a gainful trade. See you next week.